Well, hey there, and how are you today? Went and got this cotton candy machine. I got this, which is something else to go with the sweet shop, I guess. And I got that. And so we're gonna open up all of them and see what they're like. And but I'm very excited. And while I have looked, there's a part of me wants to like order everything that was the Glitter Girl sets. However, their pets seem a little bit largish, and some things I'm not as into. But definitely the sets like this, obviously, I'm quite taken with. So anyway, though, let's get started. The first set I want to look at is the cotton candy machine because it just looks so awesome. So anyway, let's get into it. And it'll be, I have another reason besides just wanting the stuff. There's more to it. This will be perfect in the park because I want the park to be a place where there's a couple food vendors where, in theory, in some of the stories, the dolls can go and, like, while they're talking or wandering around and stuff, they can stop and get something, some kind of treat. And so how perfect is it then to have this kind of thing in the park? So anywho, that's what I've done. Sorry for saying anywho. All right, so I have it all out of its packaging, and it turns out that it came with 3 AAA batteries inside, and you have the switch down here to turn it, well, let's see, you have on, off, and try me. Okay, well, I think I'll just turn it to on. And so on one side of this thing, of course, it says, Cotton Candy Dream. And look at the wheels. Aren't those wheels cute? Look at, I love all the craftsmanship in it. There's so many little details. I love this. Just charming. And the little scalloped edge. And you have the Glitter Girl thing here. And then on this side, you have the door with, of course, a little bit of glitter. And the door opens. Check that out, huh? And then you have 3 cotton candy. Now let me put them on the cart here. How cool is that? That is just way cool. Another thing is sugar. But these little canisters are so lovely. They really are. Let's put that up here. You have a scoop. Scoops are good. Like scoops. They give you a little bowl and some currency. Which I guess you could put, I'm going to put it right in the bowl. So yeah, let me put that in here, save my money. And now, okay, here we go. We've got the little buttons here. So let's see, what does it sound like? Oh, that's sweet. Okay. Okay, and I don't know if you can see. Oh, the light on the top, it changes color. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. I bet that looks really nice when it's dark. Oh, I love it. Really cool. Okay. Already happy with this. Oh, let's see what it is for doll size. Okay, let's bring our movie Barbie. And let's see. Here we go. Okay, so movie Barbie, we bring her out, and it's like actually a pretty good size for her. It's wow, it's actually perfect size for the dolls. These things must look underscaled for the dolls that it's made for then, because since they seem to be perfect height for the Barbies. Well, just like the Barbie sets seem to be a little short for the Barbies. But yeah, weird. These companies need to get some stuff figured out. But anyway, okay. Cotton candy machine. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing is this, which is the, well, doesn't really, Glitter Girls soft serve ice cream playset. Yeah, because, well, it looks like it's got some cool stuff in it. Oh, let's open it up and see. And of course, I'm anticipating the sweet shop coming in, and then some of the stuff going there. Although I admit I'm actually thinking about getting that ice cream shop. But I don't know. I think I might make do with what I have, because I don't need to get a shop for every last thing. And Gandhi's in here, so if you hear him meowing, yeah. So anyway, okay, so everything comes in this bag. Okay, so everything comes bagged up. And so the first thing we have is this sign, which is cotton candy, cherry, double fudge, vanilla, and extra cookies. And look at the little ice cream drippy things coming down. I love it. Okay, now we do have, let's see. We have this ice cream. Oh, that's cool, the ice cream machine thing. Nice. Okay. It's a decent sized thing. Check it out next to Barbie for a minute or two. And then we have some more accessories in here. So, what do we have? So we have, let's see. Oh, so it's like you're getting free ice cream. Whoops, here we go. So this is like you're getting free ice cream, extra sprinkles with a cherry on top. I'm not sure where that goes. I'll have to look at it. Okay, no, according to the pictures on this box, this is actually supposed to open, but I think I will not leave this. I do not think I will open this up, though. I think I will leave it closed. Okay, so I'm guessing this is what, like a napkin holder, maybe? Yeah, it's cute. I'll put it up here with the set there. Now we have some strawberry topping. Excellent, gotta have strawberry topping. Here, you can go over here then. Strawberry topping. If you will stand up straight. Stay. Haha. There we go. Oh, look at this cute cup. Oh, I love it. With the little glitters in there. I love getting serveware. I mean, if you guys have probably noticed, it always makes me happy. So let's put that in right over there. Okay, and then we have sprinkles. They look like they would be chocolate sprinkles. And then we have, chocolate syrup in a little glittery bottle again. How cool is that? Oh, okay. And we have, oh, look at these little jimmies. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I like that. Oh, and sorry. We have a couple spoons, because, like, well, if you're having a shake, especially that shake, you're going to want a spoon to get all of everything out, that's for sure. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Okay, I'm already happy. Again. Then we have this. I'm not sure what that is yet. Maybe oh, wait, does that go through here? Oh, okay. Goes on like that. Okay, there we go. Wow. When an old bird like me could figure something out, you guys will have it figured out right away. There we go. Okay, well that makes sense for all that stuff now. Now we have some other things. So we have ice cream cones. It's empty, of course, as it should be. Okay. Ice cream cones. Then we have, ooh. Okay, so you have one ice cream sundae, ice cream cone there. Ooh. And as usual, now I want ice cream. I'm in so much trouble. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh. And then we have, ooh, an ice cream sundae. I'm really liking this, guys. And let's see. We have another ice cream sundae. Looks like a strawberry kind of one with a waffle bowl. Yep, definitely wanting ice cream. Go on, go over there. Oh no, and another one with chocolate topping. That is awesome. Wow. Oh, wow. And that's just a big serving of ice cream. Look at that. Okay. And then you have a couple empty ice cream cones. I like these. I do. I like these. I'm very happy with this set. This is awesome. Okay. So it isn't giant, but you know, it's got a goodly amount of things, and I think it'll work with another set when I get it. So there we go with that. Okay, and here's the last set for today, and it is, of course, dessert oriented again, and this is the Glitter Girls Sweet Shop Terrace set. And what I wanted it for was, of course, the other little things I have. And look at this charming little, set just to sit down at. So let's get it open and see what it's like. First of all, let's get the chair and table out, right? The chairs, sorry, and table out. These chairs are a good size. They might be a little bit big for the dolls, but we will see. Chair and table. Here we go. Oh, look at that! It's got ice cream top. I love it. The ice cream sprinkles on the top and the scalloped edge around it. It's pretty. And then you have kind of like shaped in almost like a butterfly. I don't know. It looks cute. Okay, so we have the table and chairs, which are Barbie size. Go figure. And now let's get out the this. Okay. So it looks like it'd be a light up neon sign. Sadly, there is no place to put in batteries on here, so it will not actually light up. But still, hello! I like that. I love this color. And looks like it has little, like sprinkle things. And you have shelving in the back. I like it. And yes, there's definitely no place for batteries. That would have been cool if that lit up. That really would have. All right, we need to get up Brooklyn again because I gotta see how tall the counter is. Thank you for your help again, Brooklyn. And okay, so we have Brooklyn out, and yes, this works perfectly. Perfect height again. My goodness, I am so enjoying this. Okay, so this is the end of showing you the Glitter Girls treat sets, and I'm just loving it. And as you can see, that is just a perfect size for the dolls, and everything is just so gosh darn cute. I'm just so happy with everything. So anyway, and this is all because of Disney D Prints and Dee's Hobbies. They are the ones who started showing off this stuff, and so I blame them. I also thank them for finding them. I'd like to know how they even thought to try out these larger, these sets for these larger dolls, because, I would have thought that most of the stuff was too big, but they gave it a go, and I think I think a lot of people are now going to be trying these out, because turns out they're great for the Barbies. So anyway, if you like this video, please hit like, please hit subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,900 subscribers. I thank everyone who helped me get to the first 1,500 and 1,600, and you see where I'm going with that. Definitely comment down below. Did you have a favorite set? What do you think of them? And, or whatever else, comment down below. I like it. Sharing is caring, so pass the love and share this video with another person, honestly, these are some really nice sets. So yeah, definitely share with people who might be looking for other things for the dolls besides what comes with Barbie. Because honestly, I think these are much more attractive than what Barbie usually has. Sorry, Mattel, but it's true. And anyway, thank you very much for stopping by. I definitely appreciate all of you, and you have a fantastic day, and goodbye.